Many of the clients of our clients are demanding fresh and innovative experiences in how they consume data and services. Let me show you an app that provides one such experience in a retail scenario. The app allows a retail buyer to shop for things by simply taking a picture of them. In this case, let's take a picture of a pair of sneakers. All right, let's log in first. The application is built using the cloud integration platform and makes use of several integration patterns. All right, we're almost logged in. And let's pick the category. Let's shop for some sneakers. Well, let's take a picture that we already have on our phone of a pair of sneakers that we wish to purchase. All right, those look good. Let's send that image on to the back end. It runs through some of our integration flows. And let's see, we found 6 matches, and I think this is the pair. So let's go ahead and purchase that pair. So we'll create an order, purchase this pair, and it creates an order ID for us. If we wanted to check, as normal, the status of our order in real time, which has kind of become, status quo to be able to do, let's see, I'd like to check the status of an order. What's your order number? Let's give it the order number that was created. And in real time, I should be able to get feedback from my backend system on the status of the order and the number of real-time events that are taking place as the order is being sent through the system. Let me show you how we created this experience using the cloud integration platform. So here we are at the main screen for the cloud integration platform. One of the first things that you'll notice is that this is the first and last time that we'll be asked for a login as we move through the different components within the system. So here on the main page, you can see all of the different components that we have. Let's set up our real-time messaging component. All right. So here we are inside of our real-time messaging system as part of the platform. One of the first things that we would need to do is to create a topic. So let me show you how quickly we can create a topic by simply entering a topic name. Let's go with Acme Mart orders. Clicking next, defining the partitions, message retention, the replica, and look, now we've created a topic. Let's navigate back to the home screen, and now let's create a message queue. All right, we're in our reliable queuing system. Let's create a new queue to hold the orders that we'll be creating through the application. So let's give the queue a name. Let's say Acme Mart orders 3. As you see, we can create a queue as local or remote. And with the click of that button, we've now created a queue. Now let's navigate into the application integration component where we created all of the necessary data integrations for the demo. Created 2 integrations for this experience, one that checks inventory and one that creates orders. The inventory flow integrates data coming from Watson and Salesforce to determine if the products you want are available. As you can see here, we've made those integration flows available as API endpoints using the Open API specification. By doing this, we can allow developers to implement our integrations in their applications. Now let's open up the API management component of the platform. This is where we'll take the service that we just created and we'll make it available as a secured endpoint. Now that we're in the API management component of the platform, you can see we've got a full API management solution. Let's take a look at the sandbox catalog where we imported the store inventory API that we created in the last step. Let's go under develop. And here you can see, along with a couple of other APIs that we used for the experience, we imported the store inventory API using the OAuth specification. So we're able to add security features to that API, as well as define plans for how we want developers to be able to call the API. And we can publish that to the sandbox and make it available for developers to be able to call and start coding against. And all of this happened without ever having to leave the platform, without ever having to go through many different logins, all powered by the cloud integration platform.